Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the prediction of your 7th March 2025 IELTS exam. So this prediction belongs to the students who is going to appear in 7th March 2025 IELTS exam. If you are new on this channel, before I start this video, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us. And also, if you are looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, then we are here. But again, the only thing what we needed from you, that is that please don't forget to subscribe the button and like this video. If you do not like this video, it's okay, then please click on the down thumb um, icon, so in that way we get to know that you and also please send us and comment, so in that way we know that how we can help the students in more uh, proficient way. All right, so now let's get started. But before that, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. All right, so now let's get started with the listening. So listening part 1 is always fill-up. So fill-ups is going to be easy to moderate. So what is easy to moderate means? So you need to find some difficulty in the fill-ups part. Means sometimes there's a problem facing by the students for like the understanding way, and the other thing, sometimes you have a couple of synonyms, so in that way there's a problem with the understanding way. So my main tip is here, please when you are learning your words, then please look at the synonyms also. So sometimes it's I know that it's hard to remember all the synonyms once, but again, once you will see every time, so it will gives you some idea when you are in the final exam, so what word belongs to which. Okay, all right, so part 2 is always multiple choice question answers or map. It's going to be easy, so here you will not find any difficulty, you will get this part easily done. And part 3 is also multiple choice question answers and match the information. This part is going to be easy again. And then part 4, fill-ups. If we talk about the fill-ups, and again for fill-ups, little bit easy to moderate, means you will get some kind of a trickiness here because of the synonyms and also the understanding. So please, now when you are working on your listening part, then please don't forget to revise your words, don't forget to understand the fill-ups what they are saying. Okay, now moving if we talk about the overall, so overall level of this exam will be easy to moderate, because you will find some difficulty in the way of the exam, like how tricky or understanding, or the other thing is the word meaning type. So you need to work on your understanding of the words, like their meanings and their synonyms, and how to use that in the sentences now, because you are prepping. And also my tip is here, please revise all the Cambridge books, because it is expected from the, if you have some idea to understanding the passage, then question may be different, but again, once you have that full understanding of the Cambridge paragraphs, it will gives you a little idea. And also the other tip is, please work on the fast tracks, because sometimes students face the difficulty because it's sometimes fast and there's a problem for them to understand. And also the other thing, the third tip is here, please work on the acronyms, because sometimes they use the small very short forms, then again that will again the problem for the student. So these all are the 3 tips from my side, please work on that. And now reading, if we talk about reading, so reading passage 1 is always true false, not given, sentences by and also sentence completion. So this part is going to easy to moderate. And also passage 2 is always list of headings, which paragraph contains the following information, is always easy. And part 3 is always yes no matching, and summary completion is always easy but tricky. So here the tip is, once you have this part, like the reading part, so once you have the tricky, means like again, which I already told you, like the synonyms part, difficulty of the levels, words. And also when you are completion of your sentence, there is also you find some difficulty, because there is a couple of meanings, words, and that confuse you which word goes to where, or matching is also gives you a little hard time. So overall, if we talk about this reading part, it's going to easy to moderate. Okay, so please work with your all the Cambridge books, so it will gives you a little good time to understanding, because you have a time right now. I know it's very less days, but if you have time, then please start working and learning all the stuff. Okay, And now moving forward to the writing part, if we start to talk about the writing, so task one, please prepare line table process combination, so it and the bar also. So this will gives you a little bit and also prepare the structure, because in my videos, if you can go back to see my videos, then you will find the structure of your writing task. So in structure, what the help you can get it from there, like you have no need to worry about the phrases, and you have no need to worry about the fancy or the latest vocabulary words, because I use that one in there. But the thing is, you need to only put the values whatever you see in your question. Okay, so this is how I always teach the students, just the structure I gave them, and then you can look at the question and what type of the question they ask, just put that information in there. Okay, and then figures. Okay, task 2, the important task 2 writing task 2, you need to prepare all these topics before your exam. These are the topics very important for your speaking also, for your writing also, and for your daily conversation also. So for first thing is the education, like where did you, it's not your schooling, it's the schooling, like education level of these days. So how, why the students always prefer to go abroad for their study. And also the thing next is like what is the difference between the study in the foreign countries and study in India, and then the differences between the country education and the countryside education and the city side education. So these all are these type of questions you need to prepare that before your exam. Social issues like poverty, and then cyber crimes, all these social issues, and child labor, and these are the, and AI is also the next, artificial intelligence, very important in a technology side, animals, and also children. So children, the behaviors and the games, children games, so these are the important topics here in children, under children. Environment, business, and entertainment, so these all are the important topic for your writing task. So please don't forget to read and prepare thoroughly all these topics. You will definitely get one of the topic for your IELTS exam. And type of so the type, so writing the type of this paragraph is going to be advantage and disadvantage, your opinion, advantage, disagree, or agree. So these all are the important type for these essay tasks too. So please don't forget to prepare this before your IELTS exam, because these all are very very important. So this is all about the prediction of your 7th March 2025 IELTS exam. If you need more information about this exam, I will definitely, before your IELTS exam, I will give you last minute prediction also. Please stay tuned with me, and also if you need any other help, please write down in the comment section. If you are looking for the free buddy partners, then again we are here to help you out, but again you need to subscribe this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much, friends, and guys and students. So if you have the exam on 7th March, if you need to know about the answer key of your IELTS exam, please shoot your answers, what did you write in your IELTS exam, so that I can provide you the full answer key on the basis of your answers. Okay, because I have some students, they have some different medical or non-medical fields, so some different online students, so their exam and their answer keys are different. If you give me your answer, 1 to 10, any number of questions, if you remember, then send it to me. I will give you the proper order and give you complete answer key. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to click on the like button. Thank you very much. Happy learning, and stay tuned. Bye bye, take care, best of luck for your IELTS exam, and best of luck for your future dreams. Thank you so much, and stay tuned. Bye.